Unit 5 Housing and Clothing Chapter 14 Houses Learning Objectives 1. Different types of houses: hut, kacha house, permanent pakka house, temporary houses, special houses. 2. A good house. Types of houses: hut, permanent house, temporary house, tent, caravan, houseboat, special house, igloo, stilt house, sloping roofed house. House shelter is one of the primary needs of the human being. We require a house for living. Our house saves us from heat, cold, wind and rain. It also protects us from thieves and wild animals. Due to increase in population, environment-friendly houses are being built in big cities. Hut, kacha house. A hut is made of mud and bamboo. It has a slanting roof. The roof can be either of grass, leaves or tiles. It is most common type of temporary house. Permanent pakka house. A permanent house is made of steel, bricks and stones. The walls are plastered with cement. The roof is made of concrete material and is flat. Some permanent houses are multi-stored. They are called skyscrapers. Skyscrapers are seen in big cities. Temporary houses. The houses that can be moved are called temporary houses. Example: tent, houseboat and caravan. Tent. A tent is made of canvas since it is portable. It can be easily folded. It is a temporary dwelling. Nowadays, tents are made by synthetic materials. Tents are mainly used for mountaineers and by people who go for camping. Houseboat. A houseboat is a floating house. These houses are generally found on lakes. Tourists visiting Kashmir and Kerala enjoy to stay in houseboats. Caravan. Some people move from place to place in search of food and water. These people are known as nomads, khana badosh. These people live in houses having wheels. These houses are called caravans. Special houses. The houses that are made according to the environmental condition of an area are called special houses. Example: igloo, stilt house and sloping roofed house. Igloo. Some people live in polar areas. There is snow all over, so these people make house of snow to live in. These houses are called igloos. Stilt house. It is made on long piece of wood or metal. It is found in places where it rains very heavily and floods are common. Sloping roofed house. It is made in hilly areas with sloping roofs so that snow and water can slide down easily. A good house. A good house should be clean and airy. It should get proper sunlight. There should be plantation around it. We must keep our house neat and clean. We should keep our things in their proper place. We must look after our house. Facts to know: the houseboats in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir are usually stationary. The houseboats in Kerala, South India are huge and slow-moving barges used for leisure trips. Let's recall. 1. People live in different types of houses. 2. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain and enemies. Permanent houses are made of wood, bricks, steel and cement. 3. A hut is made of mud, bamboo, sticks and straw. 4. Multi-stored permanent house is called skyscraper. 5. A tent is made of canvas. 6. A houseboat is a floating house. 7. House made of snow are called igloos. 8. The house with wheels is known as caravan. 9. Different kinds of houses have different kinds of roofs. 10. Different kinds of materials are used for building different kinds of houses. Word power. Tent. Temporary house made from canvas. Timber house. House made of timber. Houseboat. A floating house. Igloo. A house made of ice. Caravan. A house for those people who move from place to place in search of food and water. Train your brain. Cross Curriculum Connect. 1. Answer the following questions in short. A. What is the most common temporary house called? What is a tent made of? C. What type of houses are made in hilly areas? 2. Fill up the blanks with suitable words. A. A house made of snow is called. B. A dash is a floating house. C. A dash is a permanent house. 3. Answer the following questions. A. How does a house protect us? B. What are skyscrapers? C. What are temporary houses? Give examples. 4. Tick the right and cross the wrong statements. A. Igloos are temporary houses. B. Houseboat is an example of a permanent house. C. Sloping roofed houses are built in hilly areas. 5. Multiple choice questions. A. Huts are made up of dash. 1. Mud and straw. 2. Cement and steel. 3. Bricks and cement. 4. None of these. B. The following is a temporary house. 1 tent, 2 caravan, 3 houseboat. 4. All of these. C. Eskimos live in dash. 1 tent, 2 caravans, 3 igloos. 4. None of these. D. These are the houses on wheels. 1 caravans, 2 houseboat, 3 igloos. 4. None of these. 6. Give one word for each of the following. A. The temporary house made of canvas. B. The permanent house with many stairs. C. One of the primary need of human beings. D. A special house in polar areas. 7. Match the columns. Column A. Column B. A. Bamboo. B. Mud. C. Snow. D. Canvas. E. Wood. 1 igloo, 2 tent, 3 houseboat, 4 stilt house, 5 hut. Activity time. Collect some pictures of different kinds of houses and paste them in your scrapbook. Hots. Discuss with your classmates about different colors that can be painted inside a house located in a desert area. Do you have many choices? Which ones do you have? Ask your teachers for solution. Project time. Take a small piece of canvas, any color, a small bamboo, thick cardboard and cutter. Use glue if need be. Make a tent with canvas as the cap and thick cardboard as the base. Also cut a door through the sheet of a canvas.